0-100 to 0-06. The hook psychology. Pattern interrupt plus curiosity gap. The first 3 seconds decide if someone keeps watching. Naming their exact frustration back to them, specifically, not generically, stops the scroll. On-screen text. 5 AI tools. $0 made. Vo. If you've tried 5 different AI tools this year and still haven't made a single sale, it's not because you're behind. It's because of one specific mistake almost every beginner makes. 0-06 to 0-18. The problem, agitation, psychology, loss aversion plus relatability. People act faster to escape a clearly named pain than to chase a vague gain. This section makes the cost of staying stuck concrete. On-screen text. Every new tool equals back to 0. Vo. Every time you try a new AI tool, you're starting over. New interface, new learning curve, no momentum. That's why most people never make their first dollar, not because AI doesn't work, but because they never finish with just one. 0-18 to 0-32. The reveal, solution, psychology, simplicity bias plus specificity. Vague promises feel like hype, specific mechanisms feel credible. Naming the exact tool and exact product type makes this believable instead of, trust me. On-screen text. One tool. One product. One weekend. Vo. Here's the fix. Use exactly one free tool, ChatGPT, and build exactly one type of product, a printable. No design skill needed, just editing a ready-made template. List it on Etsy or Gumroad and you're done. 0-32 to 0-45. The mechanism builds trust, psychology, authority through detail, not hype. Specific, checkable claims, exact prompts, 5-step method, read as more credible than superlatives, amazing, revolutionary, because they sound like something you'd only say if it were true. On-screen text. No guessing. Number 50 apps. Vo. AI Printable Profits gives you the exact prompts, the exact 5-step method, and the exact platforms to list on. So there's nothing left to figure out alone. 0-45 to 0-55. Risk reversal psychology. Loss aversion, flipped. Once someone's emotionally engaged, the biggest remaining block is, what if I waste money? Naming the price next to the guarantee in the same breath makes the downside feel like 0. On-screen text. $17. 10-day guarantee. Vo. It's $17 today, backed by a 10-day guarantee, so if it's genuinely not for you, you lose nothing. 0-55 to 1 o'clock. The close psychology. Low friction, specific call to action. Click below. Beats. Get started today. It tells the eye exactly where to look and removes any ambiguity about the next physical action on screen text. Click below. Start today. Vo. Click the button below and get instant access.